Vice President Kosano Chiwenga briefly assumed the role of acting president, where President Emerson Mnangagwa was in Eswatini, where he officially opened the kingdom's 57th International Trade Fair and attended the annual Umhlanga Reed Dance ceremony Sunday. Sabina machoko buda pangwa ine aiwa chinzi Chiwenga Hands of Power ndipo subscribe like on the bell like kuti kuna munavzera mudanya kwa mchinzi. Mnangagwa, who traveled to Eswatini over the weekend, with the platform to promote Zimbabwe as an investment destination in sectors such as agriculture, mining, tourism, renewable energy, and infrastructure. He also encouraged stronger cooperation with Eswatini in trade, education, science, innovation, and technology, while repeating his mantra that Zimbabwe is often open for business. The president further called for reforms in global institutions such as the United Nations and urged Africans to take pride in their heritage. He expressed gratitude to King Mswati III for Eswatini's support in demanding the removal of Western sanctions on Zimbabwe. King Mswati in return praised Zimbabwe's Vision 2030 and pledged to learn from its development strategy. Mnangagwa's Eswatini trip followed earlier diplomatic missions the Vatican and China, which he said were vital to bolstering bilateral and multilateral ties. While Mnangagwa's visit to Eswatini was an ordinary diplomatic engagement, Chiwenga's brief stint as acting president has again thrust Zimbabwe's unresolved succession politics into the spotlight. Factional struggles over succession have plagued ZANU-PF for more than 2 decades. In Robert Mugabe's final years, the ruling party was bitterly divided between the Lacoste faction, aligned with Mnangagwa, and the G40 faction, led by Grace Mugabe and the younger party elites. The battle culminated in the November 2017 coup, when Chiwenga, then commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, played a decisive role in toppling Mugabe and installing Mnangagwa as president. While routines, each occasions in which Chiwenga assumes presidential powers is interpreted through the prism of ZANU-PF's succession battles. His temporary authority underscores the fragile balance within the ruling party, where leadership transition remains unresolved and continues to cast a shadow over Zimbabwe's political future. Domashkwaripo pangwa ine pamusoro pe a rift ilipo between the Zimbabwean leader and his deputy Kosano Chiwenga. Tidze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pina comment section yedu, subscribe or like and on the bell icon.